Dear students, இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறது basis of curriculum. It is everywhere seen that the form of the curriculum undergoes a change whenever the aims of education are altered to suit the changed conditions in society. சொசைட்டி பொறுத்த மட்டும் எப்பப்பெல்லாம் மாற்றங்கள் ஏற்படுதோ அப்பெல்லாம் கரிக்குலத்திலையும் சேஞ்சஸ் ஏற்படும். For this reason, it is necessary to define the various bases of curriculum, of which the most important ones are the following. என்னென்ன அப்படின்னா, இந்த கரிக்குலத்தை பொறுத்த மட்டும் முக்கியமானது என்னென்ன அப்படின்னா, நம்பர் 1 எய்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் எஜுகேஷன், நம்பர் 2 philosophy of education, 3 sociological basis, 4 psychological basis. இப்போ இதை பத்தி நம்ம பார்த்துடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எய்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் எஜுகேஷன். Aim of education is to bring about an industrial revolution. Then the curriculum will place more stress on industrial activity. But if education seeks to build the character of the educand, the curriculum will naturally lay a heavy emphasis upon the study of those subjects which help in character formation. ஏன்னா நாம என்ன பண்ணலாம், we can find differences of curriculum according to the differing aims of education determined by the different philosophies of education, such as idealism, realism, pragmatism, etc. If the curriculum aims at preparing the educand for future life and enabling him to earn his livelihood, it must include those subjects which give the educand some professional skill. பாரதிதாசன் சொன்ன மாதிரி கைத்தொழில் ஒன்றை கற்றுக்கொள், கவலை உனக்கிளை ஒத்துக்கொள் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனலா அவனை உருவாக்கணும். அதுதான் கரிக்குலத்தோட மெயின் மோட்டோ. அடுத்து philosophy of education என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னா, another basis of the formation of curriculum is the philosophy of education. A difference in philosophic concepts leads to changes in the curriculum. Philosophy considers such fundamental and profound questions as man's place in the universe, the aims of nature, the aims of society, the relationship between man and society, etc. In every philosophy, the answer for these questions is different, and this difference leads color to the curriculum. At the sociological basis, in recent times, the curriculum has always been profoundly influenced by the discoveries of the various social sciences. This constitutes the sociological basis of education. At the psychological basis, the most important basis of curriculum formation is the psychological one. In modern times, so much research has been conducted in the sphere of educational psychology that it has become an independent branch of psychology. These researchers have had great impact on the shaping of curriculum, and this is only natural since the curriculum is only a means of the educand's development. Hence, it should be shaped by the psychology of the educand. இப்போ the aims and the objectives of curriculum. Clarifying the aims and objectives of curriculum, it has been pointed out in the report of the Secondary Education Commission that the starting point for curricular reconstruction must therefore be the device to bridge the gulf between the social school subjects and to enrich the varied activities that make up the warp and the woof of life. Hence, the curriculum should be so designed that it trains the educand to face the situations of real life. The curriculum can be said to have the following major activities. என்னென்ன? Synthesis of subject and life, complete development, development of democratic values, satisfaction of the educand's needs, realization of values, development of knowledge, creation of a useful environment, addition to knowledge, harmony between individual and society. இப்போ நம்ம ஒன்று ஒன்றா பார்க்கலாம். First, synthesis of subject and life. The aim of the curriculum is to arrange and provide those subjects for an educand study which will enable the educand to destroy any gulf between school life and life outside the school. The opinion of the Secondary Education Commission has already been quoted. முன்னே சொல்லிட்டாங்க. Complete development. The aim of the curriculum is to achieve the physical, mental, social, moral, religious, spiritual, in fact, complete development of the educant. Hence, while determining a curriculum, it is essential to see whether it will make such a complete development possible. And the development of democratic values. In all democratic countries, the curriculum of education must aim to develop the democratic values of equality, liberty, and fraternity so that the educants may develop into fine democratic citizens. But this development should not only aim at national benefit, the curriculum must also aim at introducing a spirit of internationalism in the educant. அடுத்து satisfaction of the educants need. In defining curriculum, many educationists have insisted that it must be designed to satisfy the needs and requirements of the educant. It is seen that one finds a great variety of interests, skills, abilities, attitudes, aptitudes, etc. among educants. The curriculum should be so designed as to satisfy the general and specific requirements of the educants. And the realization of values. One aim of education is development of character, and what is required for this is to create in the educant a faith in the various desirable values. Hence, one of the objectives of education is to create in the educant a definite realization of the prevailing system of values. Development of education, knowledge. In its most common connotation, the term curriculum is taken to mean development of knowledge or acquisition of facts, and very frequently, this is the aspect kept in mind while designing a curriculum. But it must be remembered that it is not only the objective, although it is the most fundamental objective of a curriculum. At the creation of a useful environment. Another objective of curriculum is to create an environment suitable to the educand. Primarily, the environment must assist the educand in achieving the maximum possible development of his faculties, abilities, and capabilities. And the addition to knowledge. In the contemporary educational patterns, that curriculum is believed to be suitable, which can create harmony between the various branches of knowledge so that the educand's altitude should be comprehensive and complete, not one-sided, and the harmony between individual and society. In a democracy, such social qualities as social skill, cooperation, the desire to be of service, sympathy, etc., are very significant because without them, no society can continue to exist. On the other hand, development of the individual's own character and personality are also very important. Hence, the curriculum must create an environment and provide those books which enable the individual to achieve his own development at the same time as he learns these social qualities. So, with that, we wind up this uh, session. Thank you.